Today is Magical Practice Day 9. The money magnet, a very important topic. Gratitude is riches, complaint is poverty. This is the golden rule for a whole life. And be it your health, your career, your relationships, or your money, this rule applies everywhere. The more you feel gratitude towards a thing, the more riches you will attract. And the more you complain, the poorer you will be. So, you have to check where we want to go. You want to be rich or you want to be poor? Actually, people don't realize that they are complaining about the money when they don't have enough money. In their thoughts, in their words, they are complaining that they have to pay out the money when they don't have enough money, and when there is a lack of money, to pay out the bills is the most difficult task. But even at this time, if you show your gratitude and you be as grateful as for the money which you have, more riches will come up to you. But if you complain, whatever you have, even that will be taken away. So here we should think what we are complaining about, what negative thoughts and words are coming out. It is for the bills which we have to pay. And don't we realize for what these bills are? Well, this is for the services and the goods which we have already consumed in our life. For that we have been billed. So what is the big issue now? Let's take example of an internet or a telephone bill. Imagine you had to travel long distances to meet an individual. Then what is the amount of money you will be spending and the effort and time? But here with the phone, you can easily sit at home and talk as many times to your family, your friends, and through the internet you can easily send emails, receive emails, and access a lot of information from the internet. So you see, we have already consumed those informations, those services for which we have been presented those bills. But here we don't have just to be grateful for the bills, that is actually the money, but also to the service provider who has provided the services to us well in advance, even before asking us for the money for it. Only after the period completes, then we are presented with the bill. So even if you don't have enough money, you have to be grateful. This is the magical law of gratitude. As you keep on feeling grateful for the money, more money will flow into your life. For this, you have to do two things. Firstly, take any unpaid current bill which you have, and suppose even if you don't have enough money, write across it, "Thank you for the money," and feel as grateful as you can for the money, thinking that it will be paid and you will be receiving the money for it. The second thing you have to do, you have to take your 10 past paid bills, and on top of it you have to write "Thank you paid," and feel as grateful as possible that you could pay so many bills easily. You had that much lot of money. So very easily you will be having the money to pay this bill also. Don't keep on complaining. It will take you to the poorer lot. Keep feeling gratitude. Well, since this is a magical practices, you have to believe in it to make it possible. That's it for the day. And to start the day, you have to remember the day one practice. Count your blessings and write why you're grateful for it. And at the end of it, you have to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And before going to sleep, you have to just hold the magic rock in your hand or just close your fingers and think of the best thing that happened today and say thank you. So, for being a calm listener, thank you, thank you, thank you.